Receiving incoming transmission. Comlink established.
Hey, what's up, man? Got your refugees tucked in nice and tight? Provided you can sidestep any more surprises from our Confederate friends and we can keep them away from those critters, they should have an easy time.
Priority alert. Backwater station under attack by unknown alien organisms. Distress beacon activated at 0658. Alerting Confederate headquarters on Tarsonis. Stand by for incoming transmission.
We've already received the distress beacon from Backwater, and we'll take care of it. You just sit tight. You'll be notified if there's anything we think you need to know.
Damn. Listen, if we wait for Confederate reinforcements, that station's dust. I'll head out there now and do what I can. You send in some militia, and we'll save those folks. Trust me. Glad to see you, boys. Time to kick some serious butt. Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV good to go, sir. Orders received.
You want a piece of me, boy? Jacked up and good to go. You want a piece of me, boy? Let's move.
I read you.
Rainer here. Sounds fun. You want a piece of me,
Not
boy?
enough minerals.
Job's finished.
Give me something to shoot. Rainer here. This should be good.
SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Right away, sir.
Go ahead, Commander. This should be good. What the hell is that? Looks like the ground there is alive.
Not enough minerals.
Rainer here. Go ahead, Commander. This is Jimmy. You want a piece of me, boy?
Thanks for the rescue. We've been holed up in these bunkers for days hiding from the Zerg.
Raider here. These things have been out here a while, but they could be pretty useful.
Orders, Captain? I read you. Orders received.
Need a light. Fire it up. You got it. Naturally. Slamming. Let's burn. Naturally. Slamming. You got it. Standing by. Rock and roll. Standing by. Rock and roll. Piece of me, boy. You want a piece of me, boy? Need a light? Let's burn. Yes. Slamming. Need a light? You want a piece of me, boy? Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll. You want a piece of me, boy? Go, go, go. Yes. You got it. Yes. Let's burn. Naturally.
Research complete.
Piece of me, boy. Turn up the heat. Naturally. Yes. You want a piece of me, boy? Need a light? Slamming. Yes. Naturally. You want a piece of me, boy? Need a light? Want to turn up the heat? Fire it up. Naturally. Let's burn. You got it. Let's burn. You got it. Let's burn.
Upgrade complete.
Naturally. Want to turn up the heat? Yes. Naturally. Slamming. Let's burn.
What the hell did they do to that command center?
Slamming. Naturally. You got it.
Receiving incoming transmission.
Marshal Rayner, by destroying the vital Confederate installation, you and your men have violated standing colonial law. As of right now, you're all under arrest. I suggest you throw down your weapons and come peaceably.
Are you out of your mind? If we hadn't burned that damn factory, this entire colony could have been overrun. Maybe if you hadn't taken your sweet time in getting here.
Now, I asked you nice the first time, boy. I didn't come here to talk with you. Now throw down them weapons.
Guess you wouldn't be a Confederate if you weren't a complete pain in the ass.
Hey, Sarge, why we always gotta listen to this shit for anyway?
'Cause I'm in charge, that's why.
Oh, that don't seem like no good kind of reason to me. Possibly anyway. Hey, what's that?
Hold on a second.
Swing roller! Looks like you mashed some poor feather's dog, Sarge.
It's a Zerglin, Lester. Smaller type of Zerg. He wouldn't be out this far unless... Oh, shit.
I love you, Sarge.